world of digital art has expanded, with drawing tablets offering creative professionals and hobbyists the tools to bring their ideas to life. Whether you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned professional, the right tablet can make a significant difference in your work. From sleek portable devices to advanced feature-packed options, there are numerous tablets designed to suit every need. These devices come equipped with features like pressure sensitivity, large active areas, customizable buttons, and compatibility with popular software. Whether you're working on detailed illustrations, graphic design, or animation, the best drawing tablets provide accuracy, comfort, and efficiency. In this guide, we'll explore 6 of the best drawing tablets to help elevate your artistic journey. Number 1. GAOMON S620 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON S620 Drawing Tablet is an excellent choice for digital artists and gamers. Featuring a 6.5 by 4-inch active area, it provides plenty of space for precise drawing, painting, and OSU playing. Equipped with an 8192 level passive pen, the tablet delivers a smooth and responsive experience without the need for charging, ensuring uninterrupted creative sessions. The tablet also includes 4 customizable express keys that allow you to assign frequently used shortcuts, improving your workflow and efficiency. Compatible with both Windows PC and Mac, the GAOMON S620 integrates seamlessly with popular design and art software. Whether you're creating artwork or playing games, this tablet offers accuracy and flexibility for all your needs. Number 2. VEIKK 30 V2 Drawing Tablet. The VEIKK 30 V2 Drawing Tablet is a versatile and user-friendly tool for artists and creators. With a 10 by 6-inch active area, it provides ample space for detailed drawing, painting, and design work. The tablet features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, offering precise control and responsiveness with every stroke. The battery-free pen ensures a natural and uninterrupted experience, while the touchpad adds an intuitive layer of interaction for quick navigation. Equipped with 4 customizable hotkeys, you can streamline your workflow by assigning your favorite shortcuts. Compatible with Mac, Windows, Android, and Linux, the VEIKK A30V2 integrates effortlessly with popular design and art software, making it perfect for a variety of creative projects. Number 3. XP Pen G430S Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen G430S Drawing Tablet is an ideal choice for OSU players, digital artists, and online educators. With a 4 by 3-inch active area, it offers precise control for both gaming and creative tasks. The tablet features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, delivering smooth, accurate lines with every stroke, while the battery-free stylus ensures uninterrupted use. Its ultra-thin design makes it incredibly portable and lightweight, making it perfect for gaming, teaching, or creative work on the go. The XP Pen G430S is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, allowing seamless integration with OSU, digital art, and teaching software. Whether you're playing, creating, or teaching, this tablet provides excellent precision and reliability. Number 4. Simbans Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet. The Simbans Picasso Tab X Drawing Tablet is a standalone device designed for aspiring digital artists. With its 10-inch screen, it provides a spacious canvas for drawing, sketching, and creating stunning digital art without the need for a computer. It comes with a high-quality stylus pen, offering precise control and accuracy with every stroke. The tablet is preloaded with drawing apps and tutorials, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to learn and develop their skills. Additionally, the PicassoTab X includes 4 bonus items, enhancing your creative experience. Portable and easy to use, it's the perfect gift for any beginner graphic artist looking to explore the world of digital art. Number 5. Wacom Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Wacom 1 by Wacom small graphics drawing tablet is a versatile and portable tool, perfect for students and creators. With an 8.3 by 5.7 inch active area, it offers ample space for precise drawing, sketching, and note-taking. The included 2048 pressure-sensitive pen ensures a natural, responsive drawing experience, whether you're designing, illustrating, or creating digital art. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for long sessions, while its compact size allows for easy portability, making it ideal for on-the-go work. This tablet is compatible with Chromebook, Mac, and Windows, ensuring seamless integration with a variety of devices. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, this tablet offers excellent performance for all your creative needs. Number 6. Huion KAMVAS Pro 16 Drawing Tablet. The Huion KAMVAS Pro 16 is a high-performance drawing tablet featuring a 15.6-inch screen for an immersive drawing experience. Its anti-glare glass allows you to work comfortably in various lighting conditions while providing a clear, distraction-free view. The tablet includes 6 customizable shortcut keys, enabling you to streamline your workflow and access your most used functions quickly. An adjustable stand ensures ergonomic comfort, reducing strain on your wrists and shoulders during extended creative sessions. Whether you're drawing, designing, or writing, the KAMVAS Pro 16 offers exceptional precision and smooth responsiveness. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, it's the perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists looking for a reliable, versatile tablet for all creative projects.